Bullish Bitcoin money cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $512.51 and $968.07 by 2030. Market experts accept BCH could reach $398.62 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $91.11. Bitcoin money presentation. One of the most well-known forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was motivated by despondency with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The production of Bitcoin money, what works more like a cash than a store of significant worth, lighted a savage question between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and efficiently. Close to this time, a purported nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and proclaiming it to as of now not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, at that point, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start, however, has encountered disturbance from that point onward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more valuable cash, fans of digital currencies regularly put resources into it. The coin's cost has the ordinary market unpredictability. Yet many individuals accept its future will be more splendid and will offer more prominent benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money? Despite the fact that it isn't the most established, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the cryptographic money split into Bitcoin money ABC and Bitcoin money SV in November 2018. This shows an eagerness to keep Bitcoin and digital forms of money overall advancing. But BCH's forking was basically roused by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limitation. For most of its presence, Bitcoin money clutched the main 10 monetary standards by market cap. But it has of late lost that position. The cost of the money doesn't come near that of Bitcoin. Even at its pinnacle, only a couple of days after Bitcoin outperformed $20,000, it simply figured out how to reach $3,643. Bitcoin money is at present worth $113.89 USD. BCH has moved 2.34% as of now with an exchanging volume of $72,675,672. Bitcoin money is as of now positioned 27 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2,210,738,753 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Bitcoin money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $167.99. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $156.79 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $134.39. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Bitcoin money BCH cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $279.98. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the BCH's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $223.98 and a typical exchanging cost of $246.38. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $391.97 and BCH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $358.37 and a low of $335.97 in 2025. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Bitcoin Money effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $503.96, with a base cost of $447.96 and a typical cost of $470.36. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $582.35 by 2027, with a base cost of $559.95 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, BCH has a most extreme value worth of $615.95. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $694.34. In the event that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $727.94. Neglecting to accumulate the help BCH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $671.94. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2029. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $783.93 and a yearly cost close above $839.93 in 2029. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin Money will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $895.92 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $951.92, averaging out at $918.32. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme BCH cost in 2031 is projected to be $1,097.50 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1,052.71. And given that Bitcoin Money was intended to be the replacement to Bitcoin and cure the cash's blemishes, its future is a fascinating one. But since of the manner in which it has created, many presently view Bitcoin more as a resource than a type of cash. Having said that, there is a rising requirement for cryptographic forms of money to act more like helpful monetary standards. After it forked, Bitcoin Money, which has a similar name in history as Bitcoin, may be viewed as the coin's next emphasis because of its instability, potential for more consideration over the long haul, and the interest for a more helpful Bitcoin Money presents a